Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, person in the back row, stop what you're doing and please welcome to the stage the three greatest circus stars that you will see today! Woo! Thank you all. You're all so generous. And you're all welcome to Superstar Circus! All scream together. You too, Sheriff. The Diablo is going to go high into the air. Okay, are we all ready? So we're all going to scream. Ready, steady, scream! We can do better than that. Ready, steady, scream! Whoa! Okay. We need to come down lower and we need more screaming. Okay. Everyone together, everyone here. Ready, steady, scream! fantastic one-ball juggling routine. And we see the messages coming in. We know, we're looking at Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, our socials. Be still single, it's okay. It's okay, but keep the DMs coming. But now, ladies and gentlemen, Gabo is going to attempt to juggle his own personal world record of not just one juggling ball. We've seen that. Not 2 juggling balls. This is too easy. Not 3 juggling balls.
What?
No. But not 4 juggling balls either. Are you sure you were? But yes, 5 juggling balls. You've come at the right time.
I don't believe it.
Gabo is going to attempt to juggle his own personal world record. If that's too much, that's okay. I understand. Okay, we're going to help him out though. Every time that Gabo catches a ball, we are all going to clap together once. It looks and sounds like this. When he catches the ball, everyone together. Like that. Here we go.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look